Welcome back to the channel. Joe and I are going to make a cake. It's a cranberry swirl coffee cake. Only we're going to change it up. Go figure. That's what we do for every recipe. This looks so good, but we don't have cranberry sauce, and we do have cranberries, so we could make it. But instead, we have cherry jam that we had made, and we could use some of that because we're trying to, use up what's in our pantry, because that is from 2021, the cherry jam is. So I want to use some of that up. And we thought this would work really great with almond flavoring. So cherry almond sounds so good, doesn't it? So we are getting ready to do that. And oh my gosh, it looks so good. The girls are at school. They have not gotten back yet. They will be home probably in about 45 minutes. So we're going to try and get this done before they get home. So let's get started.